Hi YouTube, Autumn Beckman here. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. My channel is all about luxury living on a budget, from high-end luxury handbags to the everyday luxuries of life. If that sounds interesting to you, please make sure you subscribe, click the bell notification icon to be notified when I post new videos, and be sure to like the videos that you enjoy. Well, I did that perfectly. This is the first video, like regular sit down the rest of the year video, that I have done since Vlogmas, and I thought that I would be out of practice, but it actually came back to me. I have a handbag to unbox. Very exciting. This is a one-of-a-kind designer handbag, from what I've been told. I ordered this off Poshmark, and the seller said she got it at a sample sale, and I looked up the designer and sample sale, and they do seem to have them pretty regularly in New York City, and this person was in New York, so that sounded legit. There was some paperwork that was pictured in the listing that I assume is going to be in the box also. I didn't see where it said that there was only ever just one made, but that's what this person said, so I'm trusting her. If any of you know different, once you see the bag, let me know. But it's my understanding that these sample sales, the designer will make a sample of a product, and they may or may not decide to make that part of their line for the new season. Apparently this was not made part of the line. However, it was made just for me. It is perfect for me, and you will see what I mean when I open it up. So let's go ahead and open it. Got my trusty ceramic knife. It slices through tape so easily. I highly recommend it because it doesn't cut your fingers. I mean, if you press hard enough, it probably would. It's so much nicer than using a butcher knife or scissors to open a package. It's surprising how many people we see using that stuff to open boxes on YouTube. Here it is. And oh, lovely. There's a card. So she says, "Thank you for purchasing this bag. It's a sample, so it's one of a kind. I hope you like it and get lots of wear out of it. Happy holidays and stay safe. And by the way, the sample tag is in the back pocket." Are you ready? Spectacular. It is the Rebecca Minkoff Edie bag, and you guys know, if you watch my channel, I already have 4 Edie bags, so this will be number 5. I actually thought I was done buying Edie bags, but when I saw this, it had to be mine. It is in bronze, and let me hold it up close where you can get a better look at it. So there's the texture on it. It has that chevron print that most of the Edies have. It has gold hardware. Now we'll do the spin. It's very soft. Slow spin, because why not? There's the Rebecca Minkoff tag on the back. Oh, it is gorgeous. Here's the bottom. Here's the top. And let's look at the inside. If you're not familiar with Edie bags, this clip is just decorative. There's a magnet there, and inside it is the black fabric interior, and she has it stuffed for me. It smells new. It smells like leather. The Rebecca Minkoff Edie bags are very well made. I've been very happy with the ones that I have. There are 2 main compartments, the zipped compartment, and then there's a little zipper compartment in the back there. And there's some leather on the chain, so you can wear the strap doubled up like this, or you can push it down so you have one longer chain, and this is great for crossbody. And then on the back, there's a giant pocket with another magnetic snap closure. Snap is the word I was looking for. Inside is the tag. I'll show you that in just a second. Big black pocket. Yeah, this is the one that was pictured in the listing. So there you go. You can pause that and read it if you're interested. And if you love this bag and you really want one, I'm sorry you can't get this exact one. However, there are a ton of other Edies out there. And if you love the metallic, there are other metallics, such as this anthracite one. I wanted to compare those two. They're so pretty together. This is sort of a gunmetal color, the anthracite. Beautiful bag. And I'll stand up and show you this crossbody too. I'm 5'3" for reference. That works just great. It's a really good crossbody length, and if you want it on one shoulder, it's also a good shoulder length like that, and it's great doubled up. I've worn my bags all 3 ways, and I find all 3 to be convenient. If you're interested to know more about the Edie bags, I have several other videos. I have other unboxings, but I also have comparisons and what fits. There's one in particular where I compare this bag to the Tory Burch Kira bag, which is very similar. I prefer the Rebecca Minkoff Edie to the Tory Burch Kira. Spoiler alert. And you can buy these in lots of different places, and they're almost always sales on them, so I will link several of those sites below where you can find them. As I'm filming this, which is at the end of December, Rebecca Minkoff is having a big sale on their website, so hopefully that's still going on by the time you see this. And I'm also going to be showing, if you want to see all of my Edie's, I'm going to be showing them all in an upcoming collection video in January as part of my collection of contemporary designer bags, including Rebecca Minkoff, Coach, Kurt Geiger, Amy Kestenberg, maybe Teddy Blake, I might include that, and whatever else I have that I can't think of right now. I will also include these two bags in an upcoming collection video in January of my metallics collection. Gotten really into metallics in 2020, and you will be able to see the result of that in that video. Oh, and I don't think I mentioned the Rebecca Minkoff Edie bags. There are two sizes. There's a smaller one, and then this is the larger size. The larger size, depending on the leathers, because it comes in a ton of different leathers and patterns and things. There's some really cool black ones with studs right now. There's one with some stars made out of studs, very pretty. But they tend to go for right around $300, and I got this half price. It was $150. So I think that's pretty fabulous, especially for a one-of-a-kind bag. Also, since this is bronze and I have several other bronze pieces, and bronze can be, there's like a range of bronzes. Sometimes something is called bronze and it's more gold, and sometimes it's darker than this. So I'm gonna go compare this to some of my other bronze pieces so you can get an idea of the different bronze colors. I'll do that now. Here is the bronze Edie bag. It's looking a little bit brighter and shinier in the video than it really is. And then here it is against three of my bronze pieces. The YSL, which is really more gold. The Givenchy Pandora wristlet. And then this little no-name pouch, the closest match. And there it is against my Louis Vuitton Suhali locket in bronze. And my Chanel Shop in Moscow tote, which is definitely the darkest color bronze that I have. Oh, and there's a peek of my Longchamp Les Pliages in bronze. Can you tell I like bronze? Well, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Remember to check the description box below for links for the Edie bags and also for other videos I've done on the Edie bags if you want to know more about them. I didn't want to go into a bunch of detail about the bags in this video because I've done it before, so you can check out those videos. I hope you and your loved ones are doing well. Stay safe. I hope to see you back here next time, and have a fantastic day. Bye.